Hi guys! This is Lay. We're finally here in Vegas and I'm really excited, but we're not quite settled in yet. I haven't unpacked. I decided that I would film that so I can show you guys the things that I brought for this trip. So before we start, I just want to apologize for the lighting and the audio. Those will be crappy for this because I don't have my equipment with me. But just the same, I thought it would be fun to share with you the things that I packed for this trip. And so now let's get started. I like wearing something comfortable when I'm traveling. So this is just a simple outfit that I put together. So this is just a plain cami and this is just a cardigan over it. I'm also wearing this cute mom jeans that I got from Vegas. I think I featured this in one of my videos. And I got this beautiful accessory from Express, as well as this arm candy that I featured on my Instagram just a while ago. So let's unpack. So we brought with us a medium-sized luggage and the other half is all my husband's things. So I have the other half for myself and this is everything I brought. Come closer so we can see. So, okay, so this is everything that I have for this trip. I have this first pouch that has all of my toiletries. I like bringing my own products with me when I travel. And also I have brought several samples from Sephora. I like using samples for my hair on trips, and I think this is a good time for that. It's not too bulky. Nothing important, guys. I have the second pouch and this has all my face products. Of course, I cannot live without my Foreo, so this goes with me everywhere. I also have my eye cream and a bunch of other face products. So these are basically all from The Ordinary. So as you can see, I have my night products, I have my day products, and of course we're in Vegas, so I need sunblock. So there's that. And then I always bring this with me. This is just, you know, in case of emergency. So I did bring Advil just in case. I also have some melatonin gummies and of course some scissors, Sharpie, Post-its, and Ziplocs. Who knows when we need those, right? And it sucks when you don't have them. So there's that. And I have this transparent pouch that I just got from Marshalls, I think, and it matches the other pouch that I have. This has all my makeup products as well as my tools. So you see there my brushes and stuff. So this is basically everything that I need. I try to downsize every time. And yeah, this is downsize for me, guys. There's still a lot of products in there. And of course, sunblock. I'm excited to try this one. This is from Coppertone that I just got from Target. And it has a little bit of shimmer. It's probably not gonna show in the camera right now, but trust me, this is amazing. Also bring with me shoes. Okay, let's start with my first one. Are you ready? I have brought several. Okay, so the first one that I got is my M-Jemmy mules that I just, you know, made a video on. This is amazing. So that's the first pair. And of course, my Valentino jelly flip-flops. This is like my official Vegas footwear. Okay, and last is my Viscata wedge espadrille. So I just thought it would be fun to wear this with the dresses that I brought with me. So there's that. And of course, the sneakers that I was wearing on the plane a while ago. So let me show you quickly. So these are the sneakers that I got from Target. Very inexpensive, about $22, but they're super comfy. I just got these yesterday. I have another pouch because I cannot have enough pouch, right? And this is from Astrid leather. When my husband went to the Philippines, I asked him to order this for me. And they were kind enough to give me this as well as 2 other products from their brand. I'm a huge fan of their products. Everything is genuine leather and everything is just made perfectly. This has all my accessories for this trip. So I like putting them in separate Ziplocs like this one. These are just my hair clips, accessories, just some bracelets, some necklaces, as well as colorful earrings that I can pair with my colorful outfits. If you guys are wondering, this is something that I use as a clutch as well. So I can use it like so. So this is very convenient, especially when you're here in Vegas and you don't want to carry like a huge bag. The second product that I have from Astrid is this gadget pouch. I think This is amazing. I'm not very organized when it comes to my, chargers and cables and stuff, and this just made it very easy for me to do so. So this is just my charger for my Fitbit. As you can see, this is also my cable for my iPhone charger, and in here I have my camera charger with a battery, as well as the adapter for my iPhone charger. So this just makes it very easy for me to be organized. I need this in my life, and I'm so happy that they were kind enough to give me this one. And one more thing, I also have this very cute, I think this is like a coin purse supposedly, but I don't use it for that purpose. What is actually in here is my earphones, and this is like a good size for that. So you can see it just fits there perfectly. I love this color, and before I forget, they also, etch your name if you want. So you can just add like $1 or so to get your name etched on your whatever product that you get. So as you can see, all the 3 items that I have from them have my name. So how cool is that? And if you go to their website, you'll see that there's a lot of different options when it comes to the leather, the hardware, so you can customize whatever product that you want. Okay, enough about that. Let's unpack. And of course, I brought with me my T3 mini flat iron. I'm so happy because I was able to get this limited edition pink and rose gold version. So there's that. Also always bring with me a pouch for my dirty clothes. And I also have this tote bag given to me by my friend. This is actually their own product. So if you're interested, you can find them on Instagram. Just search for Mersielle. I'll make sure to include the name down below. So she gifted me this tote bag. This is the first time that I'm using it. I thought it would be perfect to, bring to the pool. I can even put my other pouches in here. And yeah, I just love this pineapple detail in front, and I thought the gold and pink combination is just really cute with the beige canvas, and the canvas is quite thick as well. So yeah, I think this is a really good tote bag, perfect for summer. If you're going on vacation, check out their page. I will have it linked down below. And last but not least is like the bulk of the things that I have. This has my entire outfit for this trip. So this is a stow-n-go organizer that I got from Amazon last year. So I always bring this with me when I travel for like less than a week. And are you ready for this? Okay. So what you do basically is just unsnap these, and then just hold on to the hooks like so, and ta-da! This is everything that I'm wearing for this trip. So here, let me show you how you can be organized with this. This will make your life a lot easier. So what you do is just kind of hang it like so, and ta-da! You don't have to do a lot of unpacking. You don't have to do all those work. So this basically has like my sleepwear. I also have here my shorts and shirts and stuff, and right here are my dresses and skirts, and in here are my undies. So that's it. That's everything that I brought with me for this trip. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in the products that I mentioned, I will make sure to have them linked down below. And so yeah, I'll see you guys next time.